can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. Tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please. Christmas is all about. Lights, please.
Bed's made up. I ordered new furniture, so a little life update. I have a temporary roommate. One of my friends is staying with me. She's the one that owns Kika. She's staying with me for a bit, so she's in the other room. And this was supposed to be my room anyways. Like, this is the room I was going to move into. It was just taking a while because of the floors, but the floors are now done. We're gonna paint the walls white because I don't like the gray, especially with the bamboo shades. I'm also gonna be putting white curtains. So I'm currently just sleeping on my mattress for right now. My bed is running late. It was supposed to be delivered a long time ago. So that's just a whole nother issue in itself. My furniture is coming quite soon. I just wanted a different aesthetic. Really nice light wood dresser and end tables from Ashley Furniture that looked like Pottery Barn dupes, with much cheaper. This is from Pottery Barn. Those are from Target.
Charlie Brown, I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Lights, please.